Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World to long-range weather forecast discussion for March 8th to the 21st. I didn't think I was going to have time to do a video today, but I did a forecast, but here I am. This is for the period March 8th to the 12th. We have a ridge here, again, near the Aleutians. And we have an upper low here over the Bering Sea that with the trough extends into the west, and we have this ridge over the west central states, which gradually, as we see, pushes the trough out as the flow flattens and height rises. So we come to the 12th. This is what we have now. The western trough, let me see if I have the right map. Okay, the western trough will cause rain or high elevation snows and below normal temperatures, and then energy from the trough here will track into the plains and spawn this area low pressure, and then that will track eastward, and ahead of this system heights will rise with temperatures rising to much above normal. We're expecting see an area of snow here from the Rockies into the Mississippi Valley, rain to the south, and then we come eastward. The rain kind of is not as concentrated, it's not as widespread, but we still have an area of heavy rain according to GFS here across the Midwest. And then you can see we have other rain here across the plains and into the Tennessee Valley. Okay, we're going to look at the period for March 12th to the 17th. And a split flow is forecast here in the west, along with below normal heights. Zone of flow with a zone of flow with above normal heights forecast across the east central states. And the models are good agreement as we look through the models. You can see what I'm saying. We still have a little bit of a split flow, ridge configuration. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting, that's the wrong map, below normal temperatures for the west, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees below normal, and above normal temperatures are forecast for this area here, with anomalies of 6 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the northwest and the southeast. Probability of occurrence is 35%. And above normal precipitation forecast across this large area here, the probability of occurrence is 35%. Now we're going to look ahead to March 18th to 21st. 18th to 21st. Now, in this period, you can see we have below normal heights covering much of the high latitudes, eastern Canada, Greenland region. Still have our ridge here near the Aleutians. But you can see the European ensemble brings a trough into the northeast with elongation of this upper low. Now, this could be true, but we have to look at what's going on in other parts of the world. Nope. This. Okay, this is for the 18th to the 12th. Now, also here you can see what I always say, when there's a trough here over Eastern Asia, leads to a trough in the east. But you see it doesn't show that. So what is going on? We have our trough here, ridge here, but what is happening is across the high latitudes, there is also, this doesn't correspond very well because we have below normal heights here, but we also have blocking that's carrying over in Europe and hasn't moved eastward. This should move eastward to have that trough. So, but still we have an elongation of this upper low here into the eastern U.S. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for much of the nation, with anomalies near 2 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for the West Coast states and for much of the area east of the Mississippi River. And the probability of occurrence is near 40%. Below normal precipitation is forecast here. And for the Southwest, probability of occurrence is 35%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for March 8th to 21st. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.